We understand that time is money. That's why we have designed our software to meet the needs of financial managers and business owners, offering a range of powerful features that save time and enhance decision-making. What can you expect? Effortless data imports from Sage Line 50 into Excel, eliminating data manipulation hassles. Focus on what story the data is telling you rather than data inputs. ProudNumbers automates the generation of customizable management accounts. Dive deep into your financial data with our data drill-down feature. Analyze how historical trends impact profitability, compare departmental revenues and expenses, and make informed decisions like never before. Let's talk about the hidden heroes of our system, KPIs. With a single glance, you'll have access to critical metrics like sales growth, gross profit, debtor days, working capital, and more. Easily keep a watchful eye on debtors and creditors, ensuring better cash flow management. Say goodbye to hours of manual data manipulation and hello to efficiency. Plan, monitor, and manage your finances with precision. Witness the transformation in the way you handle your financial affairs. Visit www.hexner.co.uk to learn more about our product.